If you're looking for some items for under $25, I'm going to show you how you can find it from Walmart. Now, you just have to go to this website here, walmart.com, shop deals clearance under $25. And you can see that there's a lot of item for under $25 that's being sold for clearance, right? There's about 1,000 plus products here that you can buy. Then you see there's a lot here, like an ink cartridge for a printer. There's a shirt. There's this decoration thing, I'm pretty sure. There's a lot. The more you scroll, the more you will find. Now you can see there's a lot. Walmart is a very big store and you'll find basically anything here. And all of these you can be guaranteed is going to be under $25. So you'll get a good product and you'll get a bang for your buck for it as well. There's even this cute doll. There's basically anything that you can think of that you can find here. Like there's shirt, there's printer cartridges. It seems like there's educational toys here as well. There's dresses, pants, shoes, apparels, blankets for babies. And you can see there's another ink cartridge, a lot of ink cartridges, it seems, a lot of shirts, a lot of fashion, a bag, it seems, a choker from earlier. And you can see the more you scroll, the more you'll find. Of course, you can also search up here if you want to find something more specific. And you can also filter it, of course, to be under $25 for clearance, or maybe you can filter it to something else. For example, you want a little bit more budget, so it's under $50 now instead. So if you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.